This video is for anyone taking an integral calculus course who wants to see some exam style problems explained clearly. This is a wonderful exam style problem. It's volumes of revolution, but just a little bit of a twist, which is what you're going to see on an exam. You're not going to get just a standard homework problem. You're going to get questions with a twist, which is what I'm all about. I show you these exam questions so you're not surprised on your final. Determine the value C greater than 1 such that the volume of solid obtained by rotating this region. So X is sandwiched between 1 and C. Okay, that's on the X-axis. And then this other boundary, Y is sandwiched between 6X. So that's the line 6X. So Y is beneath that and greater than 0. So here's the x-axis, it's between here. And we're rotating that about the y-axis is 16 pi. All right, let's take a look. So I drew that out in Desmos and you can see the region here. So x is going from 1 to 2.5 in this case. So that's 1, that's 2.5. And then y is between the x-axis and this line 6x. And we're going to take this blue region, except not this below part here, just the stuff above the x-axis, and rotate it around the y-axis. That's why we're going to use cylindrical shells for this one, set up perfectly for that. Usually in these problems, once you're able to set up the region, you're good to go. That's maybe the hardest part, or maybe the most important part for most of these questions. For cylindrical shells, we're going to need to figure out the bounds of our integration. It's 2 pi radius times height. 2 pi radius for the circumference of the shell, and then height of the shell, thickness of the shell is dx. We have the bounds, it's 1 and c. It's 2 pi, then we have x for the radius, and then we have the height as 6x. Once we've done this, you can see it's going to be an easy integral. We integrate it and we get this term of c at the end because we had that as one of the bounds of integration. And then so the last step that makes this a little bit of a twist and therefore a good exam question is setting this equal to 16 pi, which is what we were given in the question. If you like seeing content like this and you want to see exam tips every day, take a second and hit the subscribe button. I'm going to give you tips every single day. I'm Sheldon. I have a master's in math from Waterloo. I used to grade these exams, and now I'll show you how to ace them. All we have to do here is just solve for C. We get the cube root of 5, and that's the final answer. We can verify it though, and check that it solves all of the conditions. And that's what I show you at the end here. I've got tons of exam style problems like this, hard ones too. Go check them out on my site if you've got an exam coming up.